An early preg testing program is an important key to breeder herd profitability. Now, a good question to ask: is a breeding cow really a breeder if she's not back in calf and due to calve at the ideal time of the season? In any beef breeding enterprise, irrespective of the size of the herd, the identification and possible culling of unproductive stock is essential to maximise herd profitability. Pregnancy testing is one of the most important tools to achieve this. An accurate and early preg testing program can provide a fast financial gain for a breeder herd and provide a high return on investment for minimal financial outlay. In northern herds with 12-month joinings and lower weaning rates, this can provide valuable and additional cash flow, along with the added benefit of reducing unnecessary grass and lick cost to non-productive breeders. An early preg testing program can also enhance considerably to the long-term genetic gains within a herd. With the use of animal ID software, individual animal lifetime performance can now easily be recorded and measured. Poor performing breeders can be identified and removed from the herd. Signs of disease and various abnormalities responsible for infertility can be identified along with the occasional Freemartin heifer. Low pregnancy rates in a particular mob may indicate problems with an individual bull. Poor fertility throughout the whole herd may be caused by an infectious disease or perhaps inadequate nutrition prior to joining. Accuracy is the most important component in any preg testing program. The ReproScan equipment allows for preg testing to be performed 2 to 3 months earlier than manual palpation. This can be done safely, reducing operator fatigue and causing minimal stress on the animal. It also provides the ability to preg test large mobs of cows quickly and efficiently, reducing the time cattle spend in the yards. This in turn can significantly reduce overall processing labour costs. ReproScan provides the convenience to accurately preg test mobs paddock by paddock. The earlier preg testing is undertaken, the greater the financial returns and the earlier important management decisions are made. The key is to maximise production and minimise unnecessary feed costs by identifying non-performers. This method is non-invasive and easy to use and learn, especially when compared to manual palpation. Staff can be trained, which then improves processing efficiency and reduces costs. In this video, we see cows on a property in central Queensland being preg tested and drafted into groups of over and under 4-month pregnancies and empties, with cows being bang-tailed accordingly. With 250 cows an hour being comfortably and efficiently processed, not only is the cost of staff members on the head bale and bang-tailing being taken away, the cost efficiency of the staff down the backyard has been greatly improved. ReproScan provides a visual display of the pregnancy rather than relying on feel as with manual palpation. Pregnant and empty cows can be identified as early as 4 weeks from joining. This method improves animal welfare, as this is far less invasive compared to manual palpation. The early drivers of ultrasound come from intensive dairy operations. With cows seen individually twice a day while milking, visible embryonic loss was all too common after manual palpation. With the ability to measure milk production on a daily basis, it was easy to apply a dollar value to lost production due to stress placed on the herd. Ultrasound offered an alternative of an accurate, early, fast, and non-invasive method of preg testing. It also allowed pregnancies to be aged into 5-day intervals for improved drying off and calving management. Along with this, it enabled signs of disease to also be detected, such as uterine infections, cysts, mummified calves, and fetal demise. This next video shows preg testing in a 3,000 cow dairy herd. Cows were AI'd for 6 weeks, followed by backup bulls for a further 6 weeks.
1117. 90 days. 6824. 65 days. 318. 100 plus. 3010.
Ultrasound for preg testing cows has been used now for about 25 years. Over this time, this technology and the equipment has advanced significantly. ReproScan has developed a convex probe which provides a massive field of view while preg testing cows when compared to other types of ultrasound equipment. This has been the game changer. ReproScan provides the ability to view and age pregnancies throughout the full length of gestation. This is crucial when preg testing in the northern beef herds with bulls out all year round and drawn out calvings. With correct use of the Repro arm, this reduces operator fatigue and allows large numbers of cows to be preg tested quickly and efficiently. Cartago Group provide on-property ReproScan training courses for staff. We have trainers who pass on the experience having preg tested thousands of cows. These courses are practical and very hands-on. ReproScan technology has replaced manual preg testing in many beef and dairy producing countries around the world. This equipment was first developed in Canada in response to the beef and dairy industry's need to overcome the astounding number of cattle being preg tested as empty due to early pregnancies not being detected and the overall misdiagnosis of manual palpation. These numerous misdiagnoses have been costing these industries millions of dollars on an annual basis. Non-pregnant cows are unproductive and should be removed from the herd. Pregnancy testing 4 to 6 weeks after the end of joining is an inexpensive and convenient method of identifying non-pregnant cows at an early stage. Pregnancy testing can also identify herd fertility problems, enabling earlier investigation and action than would otherwise be possible. Please feel free to contact us if you require any further information.